Hello to my friends, welcome to GT CAAD. Today we have the practice number 10. I can give a number for of the 10 in difficulty level. Here you see the drawing detail. I created all essential dimensions. I put this PDF file drawing, also the Solidworks file in Telegram channel. Go to the description below the video and tap the link directly, connect to the files and download it and have a practice to this solid body. Okay, let's go to the do this practice. Press and Ctrl N, create a new part. Okay, minimize the SolidWorks windows, also the drawing. Shift to the right side and choose the SolidWorks windows. Okay, I started with this pipe. It's under the section of this solid body here. The big circle is radius 30, it means the diameter is 60. Okay, create a 2D sketch on a front plane. The first circle is the big circle, the diameter is 60, and we have the hole inside it. It's the true hole, it's the 22 diameter in circle shape, right? 22. Okay. The length of this pipe is here. 78 millimeter is the total length. Go to the feature, select the extrude boss base and go to the midplane. It should be in symmetric and change the amount 78. Okay, the total volume is 78 and half of them is the right side of this sketch and the rest is the left side. Okay, on this pipe we have two slots cut extrude, the right side and the left side. Both of them are equal. Here the height of the slots is 8 millimeter in height and the length is 10 millimeter. It penetrates on this pipe. Also we have the length, total length of these slots is 41. Select this face, create a sketch, 2D sketch. Okay, use the corner rectangular. The length of this rectangular is 41. Let's find the midpoint of this line. When you drag your selection on the line, the yellow point appears. It's the midpoint of this line. Select on it, press and hold Ctrl key and select the origin. They all should be in a vertical relation. Okay, select this line and the outside circle should be tangent. And select this point and also the outside circle, it should be coincidence. Okay, go to the feature, select the extrude cut, and here the length is 10 millimeters. Okay, we have another cut extrude in the other sides and use the mirror feature. In a feature tab we have the mirror, click on it. The first item you need to choose a plane that your feature mirror about that, the front plane. In the third option we need to choose a feature that our feature is cut extrude. We can see the preview of the result is mirror and okay, both slots is created. Okay, here we have the two wings of this solid body. Both of them are equal and I want to start with the right wing. Here, this is our wing in a section view. I create a section AA in a front view. The wing thickness is 10 millimeters, but also here we have a cut extrude. It's 3 millimeters. it cuts all of the body of this wing except this short cylinder. Okay, 10 millimeter is the thickness. Here we have the 28, the big circle, 14 millimeter is the hole, and 3 millimeter is the cut extrude about the wings, and it's started from the 14 millimeter of this front face of the cylinder. Okay, I want to create a 2D sketch on this face and create this shape. 2 circle, 1 and 2. Make a dimension 28, 14. The big one 28, the smaller 14. Okay, select the center of these circles, and the origin should be in the right axis, vertical relation. Okay, use a line, select the left point of this circle and to this point. Again line, and when you right click and hold it, and just till here. When you let your right click out, okay, it's finished. It doesn't need to, for example, to continue your line, and after that right click and select. Okay, again right click, hold it, and when you let, it's finished. Okay, make a relation, this line and this line should be tangent. Okay, the center of the two holes is 80. This point and this point is 80 millimeter. Circles, create a circle till here, normal to view, and select this circle, and this circle should be radial. Okay, go to the feature, select the extrude path space, and I select it to this area. Okay, look, it just created or make a volume of this area. We need to select both bottom and the top face. Okay, it's created till here. Let's to change the direction. The first is blind we need, and it should be in reverse. Okay, here as I said, it has the offsets from this face 14 millimeter. It means our sketch starts from this face in 14 millimeter offset. Go to the from and change the offset 14 millimeters, and it should be reverse. Okay, the thickness of this wing is 10 millimeters, and okay. Okay, we need to create another of this feature. Go to the mirror, or the first step, click on the front plane. After that, directly click the mirror. Here it's automatically select the mirror face or plane. Go to the feature and just select this feature we created. The preview of this result is showing to you. Okay. Go to the extrude cut. Select this sketch. Here I want to cut about this face 3 millimeters. Change the amount 3 millimeters. The last option, select the contours. It means select your area of your sketch that you need to cut. I select here. Okay, here in from the first option in the cut extrude, go to the surface face plane, select it, and select this face. It means I need to cut extrude this area of this sketch that started from this face, and this is the amount of our cut, 3 millimeters. Okay. cut extrude is created, and this surface is 3 millimeters here, further than this surface. Okay, let's do that in opposite sides in other wing. But here maybe you have a question that we can use the mirror feature. When you use the mirror feature, the system makes error because it's a little difficult to recognize this surface like the left side. Okay, I do that for you to make it clear. Select the front plane. After that, select this feature. The last feature is cut extrude number 4. As you see, this is the result. Select OK. As you see, it's warned you some feature instead are disjoint. It means this sketch just operate on this surface, not in the opposite side. Okay, delete the mirror feature. This is the way. Go to the extrude cut. Again, select the sketch number 4. The last one, select the area of that our sketch. But in a from, select the surface, face, and select this face, right face of this wing. And here the blend should be reverse, 3 millimeters, and OK. The opposite side cut extrude is created. Hide the sketch. Here in the top view we have the rectangular, it's like a wall between the two wings. Here and here we have the wall. I can show you is here. It has a thickness, height and width. The thickness is 6 millimeters, the width is 30, and here I can see the height is 36 millimeters about the top. Okay, select the front plane and create a 2D sketch. Let's start the corner rectangular. Here this is our thickness is 6 millimeters. Here the height 36 is from the top, and press shift key, hold it and select the outside cylinder circle. It should be 36. Okay, let's find the midpoint of the display. When you drag it, the yellow point is the midpoint of this line, and the origin should be in a vertical relation. And drag this line, for example, till here. It doesn't matter, it should be penetrate on this body. Go to the feature, use the extrude boss base. Here is 30 millimeters, the thickness of this wall. Here. Let's use the midplane, and it should be 30 millimeters. Okay. Till here we have just one solid boss base. This is the last boss base. Our is solid bodies. Here it depends on your merge activation. For example, when I deactivate the merge result, it's create another body. Okay, when you see in the top plane you have the fillets in the corners. The amount of fillet is reduced to go the fillets, and here change the amount 2 millimeters. Select the 4 edges. Okay, on this wall we have the hole. Its thread hole is M12, and here the location of the hole about the top wall is 18 millimeters, and here about the right wing is 15 millimeters. Select this face, normal to view, and in the feature tab we have the hole wizard. Click on it. Here in the right tab, The standard is ISO, the type is taped hole, the size is M12, and end condition is true all. True all. Go to the position, just click on this face and select it. Right click and select. Make a dimension it about the top is 18 and about this side of the wing and the center of the hole is 15. Okay, it's fully defined. Okay, here in the middle of this cylinder we have the hole. This is the 30 millimeter is the depth of the hole, and the 36 millimeter is the diameter. Okay, select the front plane, create a 2D sketch, create a hole in 36 millimeters in diameter. Go to the cut extrude, change into mid plane, and it should be 30 millimeters. Okay, this hole is created. Let's see the section view. Okay, this is our hole with this specific dimension. Exit. Under the cylinder we have the hole. Another hole is 16 millimeters diameter, and here the right side is 39 offsets, and it penetrates to this pipe till here. To create this hole is a little difficult because it can recognize the cylinder shape. To create this or in a straight plane, go to the reference geometric and create a plane. It should be tangent, select under this pipe, and second reference, it should be parallel about this surface, for example, parallel. We have the plane here that tangent to this cylinder and is parallel about in top plane. Okay, select this plane, go to the sketch and create a sketch. Create a hole in the origin. The diameter is 16. Go to the cut extrude and change the direction condition into up to next. It's automatically recognize another surface, that another surface is the big hole inside. Okay, hide this plane. Again, go to the section view. Okay, in the right plane, change the direction of the section view, and here this is the 16 diameter of hole. Press and hold shift and press C. It's close or your feature and sketch and make it tidy for you. Okay, our practice is finished. To support me, just subscribe the channel, like it, and share it to your Solidworks guys. And I put these PDF drawing and Solidworks files in Telegram channel. The link is in description. Just tap it, directly connect to the files. Thanks for watching.